Ayan o. Ha? So, hi guys, my groundhog. Matay na yan. And may nanonood. May nanonood guys. Sa groundhog. Ayan. Ha? Yeah. Ha? Close the door, knock. So it's right there. Come here, Alsh. Ang laki ng groundhog na yan, guys. Laki. There's a groundhog right there.
Wait. Are we happy? Huh?
Ayan, papuntahan namin yung groundhog ng aking mahal na anak. Patay naman ang groundhog, guys. Yeah, it's dead, yeah. Nanigurado yung anak ko, it's dead. Is it dead? Is it dead daw? Nice pa sa car. Come on, is it dead? Is it dead daw? Tambok siya, oy! Tambok na groundhog. Yan ang groundhog, guys. It's dead. Patay naman na siya, guys. Oy, tambok na! Tambok! Tambok, yeah. It's fat, hanak. Fat. Fat. So, tambok ay siya. Patay na siya, guys. So, ngayon na nag-aabang doon ang birds dyan sa taas. Yan. Kasi, kukunin doon kasi nandun sa kalagitnaan ng kalagitnaan doon ng kalsada. Itong mga sakit. Ha? So, kanina nasa kalagitnaan. So, kaya ayan. Nag-aabang. Ayun, lumipad naman ang bird. Pero mamaya babalik yan. So, yan yung pinantay namin ng aking mahal na anak. So, what happened? Ha? Your groundhog is what?
Dead.
Dead.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's the groundhog who ate your strawberry. Yeah. That's why it's fat. That's why it's fat. That's the groundhog, guys, na kumain sa aming strawberry. Aba, nilarot. Lahat nilarot. Walang tinira, guys. Diyos ko, kahit live. No, enough na. A lot of cars. Oh. So, walang tinira sa aming strawberry, guys. Ha? Na hindi na babalik yung bird. Or baka mamaya pa babalik yun. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Let's go. Nakain muna kami, guys. Nagutom ako. Ang anak ko pinakain ko. Chocolate. Galing kami ng dollar store. Ayan. Ayan. Okay, guys. Thank you very much for watching our videos. Maraming salamat sa walang sawang pag-support na aming channel.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Nakita. Dapat say bye again.
Bye-bye.
Dapat I can see you. Agoy.
Bye.
Bye-bye vlog.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye vlog. Say bye-bye vlog.
Oh.
Say bye-bye vlog.
Bye-bye.
See you.
See you
Next vlog.
next vlog.
I love you
Love you
all.
all.
I love you all.
Love you all.
Louder.
Love you all.
Okay, guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Okay. Okay. Come on.